Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this short video we are going to have Emrs Pgt question paper, especially teaching aptitude question to discuss, and this is of 16th December. Okay, question paper PGT second shift. Now see the very authentic one, what I am going to discuss with you, especially the options. First one is uh, that is, which one of the following is not a characteristic of teacher centered approach? You know that in the field of teaching and learning there are two approaches, that is pedagogical approach and andragogical approach. Pedagogical approach means teacher center, and andragogical approach the child center or the children center approach. Now here it is mentioned that not teacher center approach. First one is courses prescribed can be completed in time, large sized classes are handled very well, unfamiliar or abstract concepts are directly explained by the teacher. Yes, teacher has to that complete the prescribed syllabus, also sometime managing large sized classes and also explaining the abstract or unfamiliar concept, but that is having enough scope for discussion and debate. This is not what I can say teacher center. It is the andragogical approach, so this is not a teacher center one. Now question number 2, if students are not taking interest in their studies, the teachers should ask them as to why they are not taking interest in the studies. Tell them that taking interest in their studies would lead to good result, or file a complaint. So file complaint, no, here is no lecture, and not mere stating is enough, but teacher must find out the causes for lack of interest and take corrective measurements. Now question number third one is, what should not be a role of a teacher in the construction of knowledge by student? Discouraging self analysis and self management. So it's very easy to understand. Discouraging, no, a teacher must not discourage. A teacher should encourage the student in self analyzing and self assessment. So here the first option is the right one. Now next question is that, which one of the following is not associated with a unit test? So we are talking about unit test. So unit test used for remedial purpose, yes. Standardized achievement, yes, it is also part of your standardized achievement test. Okay, confined to limited number of competencies, it's part to part. And fourth one is totally controlled by teacher. So unit test is not totally controlled by teacher, because there are a lot of variables, and dependent, independent, okay, intervening variables. So it's not only that unit test is confined within the teacher. So it would be, from my point of view, totally controlled by the teacher. This is not associated with unit test. So option number 4. Now next one is, which characteristic does not belong to adolescence stage? Does not belong to, okay, in adolescent stage, okay. Yes, a period of intense emotion, then forming a group among members of same sex, then pronounced group loyalty, yeah. But the first one, that is your highly critical of social values and injustice, okay, they are not that much of serious about social values, evils or injustices. So first one is not the characteristic of adolescence stage. Now sixth one is, you have to say that the ASSURE assure model of integration of ICT in learning process has the components. So here actually it's nothing but if you know the very proper full form, then it would be your answer. A stands for analysis learners, and again S stands for state the objectives, and next S stands for select the media, and M stands for sorry, here select the media, and M stands for materials, and E stands for evaluate. So little bit correct, you can say the full form, but here the answer is this one: analysis learners, state the objectives, select the media and materials, and then evaluate. Now next question is seventh one: effective teaching by and large is a function of effective teaching. See, effective teaching. So teaching means what? Teaching means understanding the subject, understanding the content. Okay. Now look at the fourth option: teachers positive attitude towards teaching, teachers scholarship, teachers honesty, or teachers ability to make students learn. So this is the right option. Okay, your main motto is to make the content very much understandable to the student. So a teacher must have the ability to make the students learn. Okay, now next one is 48. What is not an advantage of discovery method? It develops. It develops self-confidence and self-reliance is fine, correct. This method is suitable for the students of lower classes. So no, it's not only for lower classes. So this is the right option. Option number second. Okay, I mean option number 2. This method is suitable for the students of lower classes. Now, question number 9. Mohan can now think in terms of propositions and deal with propositions instead of objects. He deals with some total of possibilities rather than empirical situation. He takes final steps toward versatility in thought. Okay, Mon is at which stage of Piaget's model? So Mon is in formal operation stage. Formal operation stage, that is your fourth stage of Piaget's model. First of all, your that is sensory motor stage. This is sensory motor stage is 0 to 2 years. Next stage is pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. And next one, third one is concrete operational stage, 7 to 11. And fourth one is formal operational stage, 11 plus, you can say. Now, the last question is, which one of the following is not an example of assessment of learning? So, assessment of learning, assessment for learning, assessment as learning. Okay. So, assessment of learning, that is your summative. Assessment for learning, almost formative. So, which one is not assessment of learning or summative? One is anecdotal records. Next one is your annual examination, assessment of homework, and scholarship examination. So here the right option would be your anecdotal records. Thank you.